Everybody who's here wants to be here, and you can feel that.
It's very cool to be able to come to work every day and make a difference. And I can't say that I made a difference every single day in industry.
This is a very supportive, teaching-focused environment.
The students feel like they have a sense of purpose.
I know we are producing quality graduates that are being snatched up very quickly.
I thank God that I've made my decision to come here versus other place because I think it's made my life better and it made me want to contribute to make other people's lives better.
You just step onto the campus and you realize there's something special going on here. We are all driven to provide education to students who are going to go out into the workforce. And it's very much a family environment that we are working together for that common goal.
We're a national leader in applied technologies and we work really close with industry. The industry is in need of more of our graduates. Our programs align to essential careers. The majority of our students have job offers before they finish their degrees.
The industry likes Penn College graduates because they have the skills necessary to do the job at task, but they also have the academic background.
What's really unique about Penn College is our classes are small and our students will spend, for every hour in lecture, they'll spend 3 hours in the lab to make sure they have a deep understanding of the skills that come in.
I think that's really what makes our students capable and good leaders.
He believes the referral was unwarranted. So just from this scenario,
the top priority of someone who would join the faculty at Penn College would just be a love of teaching.
I really liked the idea that I was coming here to teach, that my sole responsibility was to work with students.
There you go.
The focus is on teaching, the focus is on student success. I've also been encouraged to do some research, which has been great. I've been supported that way as well. It really comes down to being an effective teacher, and that's the most important thing I think here.
I know my students' names, I know their stories, I know their strengths, their weaknesses, their shortcomings, and I can really tailor a lot of their educational experience to what it is that they personally need in their strength and deficit areas, and that's really powerful.
Personally, I like the academic advising part of it because I get to blend both what they're learning in the classroom with what their actual career and life goals are.
We have industry experts that we seek to fill our positions, and it's so important for us to have the industry expertise along with the academic expertise in order to build the best opportunities for our students.
Of course, yes, the money is definitely always more on the industry side, but I wanted to shape our tomorrow makers, our future architects and designers.
I have 25 years of industry experience. I wanted to do more. I wanted to make our industry better. I wanted to make sure that I was preparing students for today's industry.
And then to see them go on, graduate, have families, be major contributors in their companies. What could be more rewarding than that?
We're a hands-on institution, so not everyone who comes here has teaching experience. And so you are brought together with all of the faculty members in your group that have come in that year. That sort of camaraderie actually has been really nice because now instantly I felt like a part of a group.
We try to equip faculty with things that they need to know about teaching, period, and then also teaching at Penn College.
They assigned me a formal mentor, although I would identify that I actually had several mentors once I started working here. My formal mentor, in addition to other people who sort of took me under their wing and promoted my development and encouraged me and continue to push and encourage and support me now.
The college always promotes professional growth.
We truly believe that that continued experience out in the field allows them to bring current experience here to the classroom.
The college supports me because I'm able to keep up with what's out in industry in the real world and the stories that I can bring back and relate to my class.
The fact that we're hands-on, and there's no better way to be hands-on than with direct experience. I went to school to be a nurse, and I can still be a nurse. I can really work with both careers, both as a registered nurse and as a faculty member.
And you have precedents already? Yeah.
Our benefits are great for our employees, but they're also great for their families. We offer 100% tuition waiver here for Penn College classes for employees and dependents. They also can receive a 75% reduction in tuition to Penn State for their dependents as well as themselves.
You do the math, and that benefit is huge.
For my sons to graduate with zero debt and to have bachelor's degrees, to me, that is invaluable.
If you've never been to Penn College, it is a beautiful campus. The facilities are well invested in, they are upkept, and when you look around outside, it is beautiful.
Williamsport, I think it has the best of all worlds.
It's a small town feeling that has the amenities of big cities, and if you really wanted to go to a big city, we're in the center, 3-4 hours away from some of the major cities like New York, Philly, Pittsburgh, or DC.
I wanted an area that was culturally very rich. And so we do have a strong, history of the arts here. I also think that we have sneaky good cuisine.
The options for outdoor activities really are limitless. We have beautiful views and a number of things that we can do outside.
We also have some of the most beautiful waterways in the state of Pennsylvania. It's a wonderful area.
At Penn College, people make the difference.
It's all about teaching and shaping these tomorrow makers. That's, I think, the most gratifying part of this.
Penn College made me feel like it was home.
Everybody here is very supportive.
We're all rowing the boat in the same direction, and great things happen when that occurs.
My friends have heard me say this 100 times. If this job is a dream, I never want to wake up.